Games and activities. Imagine how life would be if you just went to school, came back home, finished your homework, ate, slept, and went to school again the next day. There is something important missing in this daily routine. Playing with friends or family members is a very important part of every child's routine. It refreshes our body and mind. Playing is the best recreational activity. Games are a good way to spend time with friends and family members. Both indoor and outdoor games are a good way to exercise the body and mind. Indoor games such as chess, Scrabble, and Monopoly help to sharpen the mind. Outdoor games like hockey, cricket, and badminton give us physical exercise. Games played at school are tennis, hockey, basketball, chess, etc. Games played at home are Ludo, snakes and ladders, and gully cricket. Rules of playing. Every game is played by some rules. All games, whether indoor or outdoor, have their own sets of rules. It is necessary for each player to follow the rules and play the game fairly. To enjoy a game, rules have to be obeyed. The spirit of the game is lost if the players cheat or do not follow rules. A good player always remembers the rules of the game and obeys them strictly. We should always remember that winning is not the only thing that is important. Playing a game fairly is the most important part of a game. The losing player or team should appreciate the winners. A winner should accept the praise humbly. He or she should not tease or taunt the opposite team. This is called sportsmanship and is a sign of sportsman spirit. Always remember that a loser can be a winner the next time. Settling disputes. Disputes are not uncommon while playing, but it is important to settle them peacefully. During national or international tournaments, umpires and referees monitor games so as to avoid disputes or unfair play. We should try to avoid disputes and unpleasantness as much as possible, and whenever they do arise, we should solve them peacefully. Activities in schools. Regular physical training. Schools not only provide education but also the opportunities for other activities. This helps to develop the overall personality of the student. Schools appoint physical training instructors. They teach students the correct ways of exercising. Regular physical training keeps children fit and strong. In some schools, physical training is done every day after the morning assembly. Quizzes and debates. Events like quizzes and debates are also organized by schools. Some of these quizzes and debates are on health-related topics. This increases the knowledge of students about health and other health-related issues. Children and their friends. Children need companions to play. Children in a neighborhood may belong to different religions, regions, etc. Parents and teachers teach us to treat all friends equally.